Happy Tuesday, friends. Today's detail is a 2018 Dodge Durango, and this is actually a mama car. Mama has to tote around three boys, three very active boys, and they've made a little mess in the car, so Mom called me to get her cleaned up.
Ensam sjöman när långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Ensam sjöman när långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Men det lindrar ej hemlängtans glöd. Ensam sjöman när långt från svenska kusten skär ska jag fira julen här på Hawaii.
So, as you can see, it's actually not that bad. For being a busy mom, she's actually done very well taking care of the car. There was a lot of dirt on the carpets and the seats were a little dingy, but actually, she has really done great. And sometimes you don't see that because moms just have to prioritize their time. And that's where people like myself come in. We just come in and do the things that they just simply don't have time to get to. So I do not have an adequate pet hair remover, brush, whatever you want to call it. And this mom actually had something. She thought about it as I was working on the cargo area, which is where all of the pet hair was. And I actually am in love with this brush. It made a huge difference on the job. Typically, I'm doing exactly what you're seeing right now. I'm picking at it and vacuuming, and 99% of the time I get her done. The other problem is this type of carpet. This type of carpet is the worst when it comes to pet hair. I cannot express my true feelings about it because it's not a good idea. But this type of carpet just sucks. So, obviously, being an outside customer, I am going to detail this vehicle a little differently than I would a vehicle at the car lot. The cars that are going to be sold, there are 4 different sellers that I work for at this particular car lot. It is an automotive group. So there are 4 different sellers, and each seller has their particular way of getting things done or having things done. So, this being an outside customer, I'm actually going to put forth the effort that I'm supposed to put forth in order to make sure that the detail is done correctly and good so that the customer is happy. And just like that, the detail is done. Mama's car is all cleaned up. And the kids, when they saw it, Mom sent me a video and they were like, whoa. So it was actually pretty cool.
Now I don't want to let my kids back in it.
Trees of green. I see them. saddle.